Hi everybody, and how's it going on? So today we will be discussing about how to download Akimbot on PC. So that is going to be a step-by-step process, but before that you can subscribe to our channel already and watch the video till the end. So now you can see we can type in here simply Akimbot onto a browser of our choice. Once you do that, you will be able to see that we have the game itself, and below you will be able to see various links. So the one we need to access is the first one on Steam. Head over to that. Once you are there, you will be able to see the game itself. The graphics looks amazing and all of that, so you can try that out if you want to simply look for that the game graphics and frames, how it is going to be looking. Then what you can do is simply, you can see we have the official download link below. You can see download Akimbot demo. If you want to try demo out, you can do that. And after that, we have basically the official download link as well. So you're going to be downloading that from here, and also make sure to be really conscious about the malware and viruses that you should not be downloading. Since this is the official link, it will be 100% safe to download, but you should be really conscious about any type of malware files and viruses. So stay tuned for more videos like these, guys. Subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.